Should you be investing in Apple right now or not? Let's talk about it. So hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Rijul and I make content related to finance as well as technology on my channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about if you are trying to invest into Apple, whether you should be doing it right now or not. So personally, I have invested into Apple. I only talk about the stocks on this channel, on this platform, who I am invested in. I do not talk about like any stock I'll take in and I'll talk about that. I don't do that because I am only knowledgeable about the stocks which I invest in. So Apple, I have invested, not a very large amount of money I haven't, but like a small amount of money I have invested into Apple. So basically, what my theory is basically, if you see, Apple is 134.44 right now. Okay. So if you go 1 year, in 1 year, Apple will be giving you 20.92%. It will be going down in 1 year. If you buy a stock right now, if you sell it after 1 year, its value will be decreased by $35, as you can see right here. But if you hold it for 5 years, if I like put the graph of 5 years on here, you can see here, it is giving you 200% of return. So that has been my strategy basically to hold it for the long term. And Apple, as you know, is $1 trillion company. It's going nowhere in the upcoming years. It's not going down. So I think Apple is a very safe stock to investing. So anyone who is coming into the stock market and who has $100 to $150 to invest right now, I think Apple is a safe bet. And again guys, please do not follow my advice like blindly. I have done my own research, so please do your own research before like investing into the stock market. And I'm not a professional, I just have a process and my own research which I have done and tell you guys about it. Another thing which I want to talk about is, if you go on to Robinhood, and this is basically the Apple stock, if you go to the very last, you can see here these are 41 analyst ratings here. So basically 41 analysts who are professional, they basically tell you if you whether it is a good time to buy, whether it is a good time to hold or sell. As you can see here, 73% of the people are saying that it is a very good time to buy the Apple stock right now. So I think these basically give a very good idea about whether you should buy the Apple stock right now or whether you should sell it, because like some of the stocks are going very like low right now, such as Amazon. Next video is on Amazon. So yeah, right now is a very good time to buy Apple. And let me know in the comments below if you invest into Apple or any other stocks, and I'll be very happy to read about that. And इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.